Hello students, so we are continuing our series that is for algebraic expressions. So if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel Learn Maths with Fun at the rate NAAJ. Okay, so today we will discuss about these terms, that is terms of expression. Second is a factor of the term. Third is numerical expression, numerical coefficient. Fourth one is like and unlike term, and fifth is polynomials. Okay, so first is term of an expression. So what is the meaning of this term of an expression? For example, if I have the term as this 3a square plus 4a minus 5, so how can we identify the terms in the expression? That is, this one is our first term, this one is our second term, and this one is our third term. Okay, so this is known as term of an expression. The number of terms in an expression, right? The number of terms in an algebraic expression is known as the term of an expression. So next is the factor of the term. For example, if I have an algebraic expression that is 4x square minus 2yz plus 2. Okay, so how can we identify the factors in the term? For example, in this first term, we have 4, x and x as the factors of the term, and in this second term we have minus 2, y and z, and in the last term we have only a constant term, that is 2. So this was the factors of the term. Now next thing is coefficient, numerical coefficient. Okay, so coefficient means if I have a term like this 4a square b c d, right? So if I want to write the coefficient of a square, if I want to write the coefficient of a square, so coefficient of a square is minus of 4 b c d. That means except a square I have to write all the terms in this following term, right? So minus of 4 b, c and d. For example, one more example of it, right? If I have a square bc, right, I have to write down the coefficients of b. So coefficient of b is a square c. So coefficient of b is a square c. I hope you will understand this, the numerical coefficient. Next is like and unlike term. So if I have these terms, for example, let us discuss with an example. So if we have, that is 2x square comma 5xy and 5x square. So we have to identify whether we have a like term or not. So we have a like term, that is this and this term is a like term. Why? Because we have x square as and x square over here is same. So the like terms are, that is equals to 2x square and 5x square. So these two are like terms, and apart from these the two terms are similar, right? And those are not similar to this, that one, this term is an unlike term, this term is an unlike term. I hope you will understand this like and unlike term. Next is definition for a polynomial. So in polynomial, firstly we will discuss about monomials. So monomials, mono means one. So mono means one. So it has only a single term in one term in the expression. For example, we have 2x, we have 5y, we have 3. Okay, so these all are the examples of monomials that has only one term. Okay, next is binomial. Next definition is for binomial. Okay, so binomial means, bi means two, that has two terms in the expression, that is known as binomial. For example, that is x plus y, that is 2x plus 3y or something else, right? That is known as binomial. Next thing is we have a trinomial definition too, right? Trinomial means that has that has 3 terms, that has 3 terms in the expression, that is x plus 2y plus 3z, right? That is known as trinomial. Next is polynomial. The definition for polynomial is that has, poly means many terms, that has more than 3 terms in an expression, that is known as polynomial. For example, this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. I hope you will understand this. The polynomial, trinomial, and this one is binomial and monomial. Okay, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel